Hi, welcome to Neurographica by Moonbow. I am Maura, a certified neurographic instructor, coach, and an artist, and I invite you to learn the art of transformation. In this short video, we're going to talk about neurographic line and how to draw it. I'm going to show you 5 different ways of creating neurographic line. The other name for neurographic line is Piskarov's line, after the creator of the method, Pavel Piskarov. Neurographic line is the main element of Neurographica method and neurographic art. Let's start with the classic neurographic line, and for that you need to understand that neurographic line is the line that goes in the direction where you don't expect it to go, and it doesn't repeat itself on any part of its journey. So every neurographic line is a unique line, and it doesn't represent any repetitive pattern. If you look at my line, you could see that it's different in every part of its movement, and therefore it creates a new path, a new way of thinking. If you start drawing a straight line or loop line or any line that has a repetition in there, this represents your existing thought pattern, your default thinking, and Neurographica is the method that allows you to make changes, create something new, think out of the box. So this is not neurographic line. Your line should be representing the line of freedom, the line that overcomes difficulties, and it sometimes can feel a little bit uncomfortable to draw this line because as you create change, you overcome inner resistance. So the number 2 way of creating neurographic line, so you can learn what it means when we say it goes in a direction where you don't expect it to go. You can take any coin and you push coin with your marker, make sure that it moves, and in this way the line that you draw is very unpredictable because you just follow the coin, and see, it makes its own journey on the page. So grab a coin and draw a few lines with it to experience that feeling of the direction and unexpected. And number 3, you can take a button, any regular button will do. I'm gonna use this shiny one. For this you will require a thinner marker because you need to make sure that you can get it through in one of the holes of the button. And you do similar things. You're gonna just push your hand forward, and because you can't see the line that you draw, it goes in a direction where you don't expect it to go. You still have the full control in a general direction of the movement, but the button kind of tricks your brain and hides some of its journey. Number 4 is very easy. You just need to close your eyes and try to keep your hand on the page as you do so. So close your eyes and try to draw the line in the direction where you want it to go, because you can't see where you're going, it will go in an unexpected way, and it will also create this unique line on the page when your eyes are closed. And method number 5, you can trace nature. So you could take any magazine or you can print out nature scenes, clouds, and you can try to trace the outlines of what you see on the page to get the idea what neurographic line represents. Because if you look at neurographic line and you do it correctly, it often reminds you of the landscape of the way that water ripples, the shore is formed, the mountains in the distance, the valleys, or the cloud formation. So you could start by tracing some of the existing lines to understand the nature of it. And once you understand how to draw this, you should go really to the method number 1, the classical way of drawing neurographic line, to get the best results and have more freedom and fun in your transformative journey. So this was Maura from Neurographica by Moonbow. Like and comment, and feel free to ask any questions. Have a great day.